Good morning. I'm just going to take you through now today's maths. So we just bring down this example here. Okay, what we're going to do today now is add two fractions together where they have a different denominator. That means that the number on the bottom is different. For example, if we look at these two fractions here, we can see that we've got 2/3 and we've got 1/6. So they've got a different denominator, the number on the bottom. So to add these fractions, we need to make sure that they have the same denominator, the same number on the bottom. And if we're lucky, when we look at fractions, we find that they happen to be in the same times table. So let's have a look to see if they are multiples of something. So let's start with the lowest number, the 3, from 2/3, and this counts. We've got 3. If we add another 3, aren't we lucky? We get a 6. So they're both multiples of 3. So we can hopefully now use that to help us. So if I'll make this now a little larger, so we can see when I do a little bit of writing. Okay, so 2/3 added to 1/6 equals something. We need to put here in the answer a 6. Okay, and we need to turn this 2/3 into sixths. Okay, so we have to think to ourselves, what do we do to the 3 to turn into 6? Well, we can multiply it, and we multiply 3 by 2 to get 6. Now, if we multiply the bottom number, the denominator, by something, we must do the same with the numerator, the number on the top. So we've got to multiply the top and the bottom by 2. So let's see what that gives us. So 2 times 2 is 4. Over 2 times 3 is 6. So we've now got 4/6 and 1/6. And then when we add them up, we never add the bottom numbers, the 6 on both sides of this sum. Okay, they both stay as 6. They're just there. It's the denominator doesn't change. We only add the numerator. 4 and 1 is 5. So your answer is 5/6 there. Okay, that's adding. Let's see if I can make this smaller. I'm not quite sure what I managed to do there. Let's get rid of that. Okay, and let's zoom out a bit and move up. And let's find a subtraction sum on here. Okay, there we have it. Now then, what we've got here, again, are two fractions. We're going to take one away from the other. Problem we've got is that the denominators are different. So we need, again, to make sure the denominators are the same. Okay, it's very, very important. So, again, we need to see if these two denominators happen to be in the same times table. Are they multiples of something? So if we start with the lowest number, the smallest one, which shall be the 2, we can do a bit of counting, can't we? So we can go 2, 4, 6. Oh, hold on. That happens to be the same as this one over here. I'll change my colour. Happens to be the same as 6 there. So there we are. They are in the same times table. They are both multiples of 2. We come back to my pen. So now we need to form a sum now where 1/2 minus 1/6 becomes something over 6 minus 1/6, which gives an answer. So we need to turn this 2 now into 6. So if we check over here, 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. Okay. So if we multiply by 3 over here, we can then see what we get. 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. We've now got 3/6 minus the original 1/6 that we haven't had to do anything with, okay, which gives us 2/6. Now then, something I haven't mentioned so far, both the adds and the subtracts are asking you to show your answer in the simplest form. That means, can we do something to the answer over here so that we can't divide into it anymore? Now, if we have a look at this now, we're going to think, can we divide something into 2 and something into 6 to leave no remainders? The answer is yes. We can divide both the 2 and the 6 by 2. So if we do that, divide top and bottom by 2, we get how many 2's in 2? 1. How many 2's in 6? 3. And that's your simplest form. Okay. And if we were to do the same with the adds, let's just scroll up. Sorry, wrong way. And bring it back down this way. Let's see what we get. So we had 5/6 as an answer over here. This is an interesting one. Is it possible to divide something into 5 and something into 6, the same number? And if we did a quick check, if we get my pen going, we could try 5. 5 can go to 5 once, 2 5s are 10, so it can't be a 5. And obviously 6 will all go into 6 once, but 2 6 are 12, so 6 can't go into 5. So actually in this case, our simplest form is 5 6. Okay, hopefully that'll help you. Have a go at the sheet today. The answers are there with you for you to do some self-assessment and check. Okay, have fun.